Gray.
We started very early today for a 20-kilometer bike trail to Castricum.
Bye! We're going! Yes!
Yes!
See you later.
I packed a picnic basket with iced coffee, drinks, fruits and cookies to go, with summer finally showing some signs to stay for a while.
We have our food over here, guys. Ja, kijk eens la.
Pak je één autootje. De dochter is wel slimmer.
Oh, hey guys! We're just getting started. Papa!
Hallo.
Yes! We're just getting started, guys. So I will say hello again later when we... Oh, and Riannis go. Hey guys, we just stopped because Jens wanted to see the cows in front of us. Yeah, what is that? That's oranje? Yeah, that's sweet. Wow.
Nee. Maar Jensen, die oranje koe is afwijkend. Dat is geen Nederlandse koe. De Nederlandse koe is wel zwart. Wit, zwart en wit. Dat is een Oostenrijkse of Zwitserse koe.
We're gonna continue biking, guys, and we will see you halfway or probably on the beach already. Bye! We are almost, no, we're not almost, guys, we're actually still halfway. Guys, it's supposed to be 17 degrees, but the sun went away, so it's a little cold now. Okay guys, we are making a pit stop for some pancakes. Yeah. The beach, guys, is 1 kilometer from here, so we are gonna park the bike, guys. Yeah. So we're here at the pancake house. Say bye.
Bye.
We're now on our way to the beach. However, it says on the weather earlier that there was a 5% chance of rain. But now, I don't know. So, as you can see, guys, there's a very dark cloud. And I think it's gonna be very cold. Let's go. Okay guys, we're on our way to the beach in this cold weather. It became cold all of a sudden.
Ja, wie spreekt elkaar nu tegen?
JP's teasing me, guys, because I put some sun lotion on their faces and their legs, thinking it's gonna be very sunny and they're gonna be burnt. And then now it's so cold. Uy. Nakayama ka? Yoo-hoo! I hate it when you have to go uphill. Woo. JP and Jens, guys, are playing on the beach. Okay, where they are, guys. I can see JP immediately, guys, because he's wearing red. Reaches 8. We're going to eat some French fries. Huh? How was it? And what are you doing, baby?
Alleen maar zand opspelen.
Okay.
Niet waar je sok uitslaat.
Guys, it feels like it's a tropical place here. Good job.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Yeah.
Gezellig.
Hey guys, we're now on our way home. Let's go, baby. He really enjoyed himself, guys, playing. And he's barefoot and it's cold. Oh my goodness.
I can't shake the simplest
The place is really packed.
We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, no. I reach through mysterious ceilings. My only hope.
Now he wants to
I look
get
for
some-
the things I
Oh
don't know.
no! Now he wants to pick some toys on the road. Oh my goodness! Mom, I have a ball and I have a candy. Come on, Mama has candy. Hey guys, we're now on our way home. Say
All
bye.
in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes.
20 kilometers to go, guys.
honestly don't.
And we're home.
I should be the last to know. All
Hey
in
guys.
this, I
Yes, looks
stand
like
alone.
we are almost home.
Show me where the
Not quite, guys. Another
honestly
probably 12, another 12, 13
I should be
kilometers.
the
So
last to know.
we're not even halfway from home. Okay. We're almost in the main city outpost, not city but town. But we're taking the train because Jens is sleeping and it's not safe We're
hands
biking
on
6
clothes.
kilometers more and he's sleeping like that.
I guess
So we have to wait about 10 minutes, guys. So we're waiting for the train to arrive, guys. And meanwhile, my baby is sleeping. He was really playing so much at the beach, so that's why he's pretty tired. See you at home. Crazy, guys, because now that we're inside the train, he's awake. He couldn't anymore bike because I bought the tickets already for the train, so it will be a waste. He loves the train, guys. That's fun. Huh. The lift is out of order, guys. Taking the way for people with wheelchair. There is Papa, oh. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Nee, dat is niet voor kinderen.